está la cámara.
Hola, Paco.
Con la lengua de fuera ya.
Hola, chicas. Hi, chicas. Today I'm vlogging a little bit because we are gonna be going to... I look like a nerd, don't I? I feel like I look like a nerd. I just wanted to throw a twist on my outfit, but we're gonna be going to Pleasanton because it has been warm here where I live, and I just wanted to get out of the house and just be like happy and positive and amazing. And I'm gonna take these off, but I am basically going commando. I mean, like, my friend told me commando means when you don't wear any underwear. I'm not going commando in my bottoms. I'm going commando in my face. Hernan told me not to wear makeup, so I decided not to wear makeup today. So sorry if I look extra ugly today, but Hernan thinks I look beautiful, so that's fine. Didn't want to deal with makeup. I just wanted to come and enjoy the nature. You guys will see a little bit about it. But if you guys live in the San Jose area or any Bay Area place here, you guys know Pleasanton is the place to come, especially like that it's gonna be Easter Sunday, right? I think a lot of people might be at this lake, but I don't know, hopefully it's not packed right now because it does get packed and it's horrible trying to find a place to sit. So yes, come with me on this fun adventure to Pleasanton with me and Paco. We're gonna have to pay $2 extra for Paco, but it's fine because he wants to get out of the house. He was hella bored in la casa, so let's go. Para nuestra sorpresa grande, no hay nadie en el parque, so nos la vamos a pasar súper chido. Y Paco ya está llorando porque ya se quiere ir. Paco, relájate, Paco. Traté de esconder a Paco para no pagar los $2 because I'm cheap AF. Y Paco que va saliendo ahí en la ventana enfrente de la señora. So, wow. Mi hijo no sabe lo que es ser mexicano y pobre. Walking around. I don't know why I talk English and then I talk Spanish, but yeah, we're still walking around, having a fun time. It's so lonely today. Can we see your mermaid tail? Show us your mermaid tail. Are you gonna wear it right now?
I put my full fish in freaking cold water, like 48 degrees.
Is it cold?
And it goes, oh my God, I don't want to go to the pero ya está fría el agua. Pero no es para apostar ahí, para apostar. Mira, pero hay mucha caca de perro. Todo alrededor.
¿Crees que es de perro?
Sí, mira cómo están de perro. Necesitamos a limpiar. Necesito traer una escoba para limpiar. Acá hay más, pues hay más. Está frillilla, no crees que no.
Nope, not tonight.
I was usually able to go in the water because it was warm to me, but now it's cold like.
She's having the time of her life.
De la foto que te sacó tu papá con la cachuchilla azul aquí, con chiquita cuando tú.
Imagínate cuántos años has venido aquí.
Que tengo desde que tú naciste.
Bien muchos años, ¿verdad?
Los años que tú tienes, ya estaba este lago. Yo no sé cuántos años más tengo. Ya tiene mucho. I'm on McDonald's.
You keep eating like a fat ass.
Andabas en la vaquita. Tu papá te trae allá.
Paco!
Kenya, you just stepped on the poop. No, I didn't.
She fucking did.
I did? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. That one. No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. I don't have no poop shit on my
¿Qué me importa?
Yeah, no, I don't. You just touched this slowly. I didn't do it. Yeah, you did. Okay, is this the time so we can go now?
Okay, so update update because I think I'm Alicia Marie or something. But we are gonna go paddle boating. What did you say it was called? It's not called paddle boating.
Paddle boat.
But anyways, it's this boat where you like put your you put 4 people and then they have to like do it like a bicycle and paddle. Paddle? It's not paddling. It's like.
Oh, Henry, you want to come with us?
He is gonna pay, so he is gonna go. So we're about to go do that right now. I hate that I look dead on camera. I can't even see how I look. Pero me miro super muerta. But we are having so much fun because it's not really packed, but there is some people and they're just swimming and having fun with their family. Some of the kids are upset, but it's fine, you know. So it's getting a little bit hotter, so we are gonna go on the boat right now because luego no voy a poder soportar el sol.
I'm burned, I think. I don't know, I have a tan line, but
I'm not burned either, but I'm not burned. I'm like, wow. Let me see.
Mi abuelita in the back.
Rigo, you are so
Kenya, move so I can show my grandma.
Okay, I'm gonna touch.
Abuelita. Tico, move. Abuelita, unos saludos.